What you doing?
I can't even find the other bolt, but I think I have to disconnect these things.
Okay, let me see. Let me see something. Yeah, there's one more. It's behind the plastic. But don't worry. Let's just get this off. Just wait for me, okay? We need to disconnect this plastic piece.
I see you. I see.
Hold on a second.
I see it.
So I think I did it correctly. You have to put it up.
Oh.
So let's pull this out, Kevin. Please excuse me. You got it?
Got it.
So for this light, you have to remove this plastic piece that's inside. I disconnected it right now. So we're actually gonna put the light in the trunk. We don't need to really carry it anywhere.
Oh, yes.
But this one has water in there. We're gonna have to...
yeah, the bumper.
Yes, the bumper. Look. What? All the fittings, all the bolts is gonna go in the trunk, okay?
I know, Dad.
You could put a drill type of socket for removing the yeah, you could use that. So now don't close the trunk because we might not be able to unlock it, okay? Because the locking mechanism is off.
I know how everything goes.
So you actually removed your bulbs, right? Instead of pulling that other stuff out, which is actually a smarter way of doing it.
am smart.
Yeah.
I figure stuff out, but you tell me how everything goes.
Mm-hmm.
You know all about vehicles.
Mm-hmm. It's actually a good idea to just pull all of this out because there's water inside of this light. Somebody did not change their taillight fluid. I think a solution would be is just drill a tiny hole towards the bottom of the light. It's going to help get this water out of there because really there's
this bumper's supposed to come
it is
out.
coming out. There's apparently it's a bad seal. So
I know exactly how to fix it. We just have to bend this thing
exactly.
back.
So we're gonna need to heat it up and bend it back.
Heat it up
So
with a heat gun.
so here you have removed it, but over here we need to remove this stuff. So first we're gonna remove this wheel because it's in our way.
This is much easier.
Oh yeah. Tools make the job easier. We're gonna paint them black. Oh look, let me see it. We need another oh actually you do have that already in here. So here, you put this on and change it.
I'm ready to go.
This makes your job easier, doesn't it?
My job gets even
I actually need to buy one more of these.
One more pair of these.
Yeah. So remove that.
One more. And another one there.
You got something in your hand?
Oh yeah, that's the bolts.
Okay. See, does it come out?
Oh yeah. It comes out pretty easy.
Okay, look over here. There's something else holding it.
No, it's just okay.
Look at this here, right here. That one, take that one out.
Oh,
see?
man, the dirt, man.
The dirt get on you?
The dirt just falls. It's much easier to take this one off first.
Yes. You're absolutely correct. So we're gonna put all these things here. And look, all of the bolts for this car, we're gonna put inside of this trunk, okay?
Oh yes!
That's a smart way to go. All right, so come over here, Kevin. Take this bolt off. Is that correct size?
Correct size.
Okay. Don't put a bolt. That's fine. I'll put it.
Okay, I see something here that I need to do.
So no, we're good. We're good. So this bumper's coming out. So
Here we go.
something's being held at the bottom. Yeah, I need this. Thanks, Jason. So we don't need to pull them out. Like everything's broken, but I want to pull them out anyways because
I can't believe this piece of insulation didn't even broke.
So next we need to disconnect this.
We could take it off.
Hold on a second. How do you take this off?
This thing.
Oh, it's right. No, it's right here. No. We don't want to do that. So that's the light. So there's one more that's holding it.
Okay.
It's a clip. It's a clip. So
Okay.
it's actually a more difficult type of clip. You have to get inside over there. But I actually just bought more clips.
Well, how much does each clip cost? Maybe 5 cents.
No, I bought like a lot. I bought like over 500 clips.
That's dangerous.
It's falling on my face.
Do one clip cost?
So look, this exhaust pipe is bent. Okay, let's take this bumper, and here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix it. Just gonna step on this.
Easy.
Well, let's see how it looks.
Hey, Dad. It doesn't look pretty well.
Well, we still need to heat it and pull it out by heating it. But we got another bumper, so that's fine. Jason, we're not installing that yet. Just leave this for now.
I caught the insulation from damage, but there's some bolts missing.
No, just leave it.
There's bolts missing.
It's fine. Just leave it alone. Let's see if we could bend this pipe back. It's a very heavy pipe. It's hard to bend it.
It's a very strong one.
It is a very strong one.
Pipes are even stronger than you think.
I mean, it's really heavy metal.
I think $10 per each. This might be $5.
We're not going to be removing this. We need that.
Yeah, this one. I guess we need to.
So Kevin, I'm going to need you to remove this plastic piece. But first I'm going to remove the tire.
I want to remove it. Because it's so dangerous.
Well, that's how you remove them.
I know.
Knock it to the top. Can you take my tool and put it back in the toolbox? Put it in the black one. Let's just put this underneath. Well, just put this over here. All of these tires are bad. We gotta get new tires. But before,
Or fix them. How about we fix them? No, we're gonna buy them. Right?
So no, see they're bold. They're going to be pretty bad. So we have this damage here. See, we have damage. Let's see if I could actually fix this.
You're doing well. You're doing well.
Yes.
Why can't we use like a bodywork hammer?
Well, this is a bigger job. The reason I hold it closer because this does a smaller type of knocks. So put your fingers back, buddy. This is like using a bodywork hammer. Look, we fixed it. This is not a big problem. Are you kidding me? Okay, so this actually right here, this portion needs to be a little bit thin. Yeah, so let's see how much it needs to be in. So it's so this is a curved. It needs to be in about a hand width. This is like not even a problem.
Oh my goodness, this is bent just like it's supposed to be.
Yeah, so that's supposed to be straight.
Hey, that's good.
So that needs to be straight. That needs to be straight going there. So that needs to be straight. So that's actually good. Everything's gonna work just fine. So body work is done.
Okay.
Just takes a few
My
minutes
name
to
is
work.
Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.